Hey friends, TUXX here. You know, the holidays are just around the corner and it's time to start thinking about some cool gift ideas. So I have a few videos of things which I think would make a really cool and unique gift for that someone special, okay? And one thing we all need, we certainly do, is water. And that's where this great water bottle comes in. I've had a few good quality water bottles and I've heard this one is amazing. So I wanted to check it out with you together. What I like about this, I believe this is a stainless steel, stainless steel water bottle, and they really do better for you. I've had plastic ones, plastic shaker glasses, plastic like cups, that kind of thing, water bottles, and they're okay, but they're not as good as stainless steel. And that's where this comes in. This big old guy, this is 40 ounces. That's plenty of water to take to the gym, take out jogging, drink at work, while you're gaming, whatever the case might be. This will have you covered for a good long time, okay? There will be a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link right down here for the very best price on Amazon, okay? A vendor you trust, okay? So good stuff. It mentions a few cool little things here on the side here. This is eco-friendly, very good. This is stainless steel. It works with both cold and hot, and that's really good too. Think about going into the wintertime months with like hot cocoa or coffee or something. You could do cold or hot in this. And some water bottles like advertise, or they don't say anything at all about hot, but sometimes hot can have some adverse effects. So it's really good to have one that works good on cold and hot. And I could tell you personally firsthand that stainless steel does so much better on cold because it'll keep your cold drinks cold, okay? Really important stuff. And it's the type of thing where you can give this to a loved one and they're going to enjoy it. They're going to think of you when they're drinking that refreshing cold or hot drink, so it's really cool. And this is ultra vacuum, okay? So this helps keep, the temperatures hot. If it's hot, keeps it hot. If it's cold, it keeps it cold. It helps keep the temperature consistent to what you want in the drink, A few basic little information here, some models. This is model HM874A, okay? And let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up here. There's a barcode for you, but there will be a link again right below, so be sure and click that link, okay? Very nice box, very good construction. Love the little minty colors, and oh, check this out. We're greeted with something right on the very top. Didn't expect that. It looks like we have the water bottle top here. Let's go ahead and pull this off, and oh, nice rubber, man. This feels good, man. This has a nice rubbery feel around here, so it's plastic, but it does have a nice rubbery grip. So it will definitely help with this. And it looks like there's a little bit of a clamping mechanism. Looks like this can tighten down, okay? And so that's good. And you could actually probably take this and, link this to a backpack or something too, which is pretty cool. So anyway, very nice little water bottle. You can unscrew that. Nice little hole for drinking from or pouring from. The inside here is, there's a rubber stopper kind of, so it shouldn't really leak. It should stay nice and leak-free is the way to be. And yeah, looking good. Let's go ahead and see what else we have here in the box. And whoa, there's quite a few accessories. Look at that. I'm going to pull up the bottle here, and oh, that is great quality. Okay, here, I'm going to come back to that in just a second. Let me look at everything else up. I pulled the little plastic or the little safety off it. We have a few accessories here. It looks like in here we do have a, it's nice when it comes with a cleaning product. This is something a lot of water bottles don't think about and don't take care of you with. Is, it can be a deep reach to clean this bad boy, and this one actually comes with its own little cleaning scrubber here. So this is a two-parter here. Let me go ahead and show you how this works. I'm sure you probably get the idea, but it's really neat it comes with this. I wouldn't have expected this because so many of them don't come with this, I can tell you. This is just a two-part. You just kind of snap this in here, and this allows you to deep clean on the inside of your bottle, okay? So really get all that gunk out. And I can tell you in time, it will need a good little scrubber. So nice spongy here, won't scratch up too much. Nice, and it looks like this is reusable, so you could actually probably pull this off and clean it, or stick a different sponge in there later. But, just a nice little pack-in. So really cool. I like that a lot. And it looks like there is something else in here. What is this? Oh, wow. Oh my God, I'm impressed. This comes with all sorts of cool, very high quality, like little clasps and such. Look at this, guys. God, I would not have expected this. This is like a massive kit of different ways of connecting the water bottle. And again, we'll show you more about the bottle in just one second, but I gotta show these accessories. Very nice, super luxurious, super good braid on this. Nice metal clasps. These are metal. Okay, so this is definitely gonna hold your water bottle very nicely. two clasps there, but intense, strong braid on that. So very cool. And then here we have like a little extra part here that this can screw around the lid here. We'll show you more about that in a second. And then here we do have an extra little metal. Okay, this is metal, like a little clip, so you can clip that onto a backpack or something else. Very good. And then it even gives you like a nice, very long, like a nice strap here for like a shoulder strap. And I'm not gonna pull this off, but this it definitely has some length, and this is adjustable too, so you can make this a little bigger or a little smaller. And much like the other ones, these are metal clasps, so that's really nice. Sometimes they try and go a little cheap with plastic ones, but no, these are actual metal, so they will definitely stand up to the test of time better than plastic would. These will last a good long time. Now the part you've been waiting for, guys. Me too, I've been resisting the urge. Here it is, guys. Check out this beautiful black water bottle. Big, has a nice kind of a silky, satiny look to it. Very good. This is metal. Okay, this isn't like all plastic. Now the top part here does have some plastic in it, but this is all metal base, including the bottom. Okay, so very cool. Got a little divot there, and we'll go ahead and unscrew this. Feels very tight. You can definitely feel the suction. Like when this is tight here, you can feel that rubbery grip on the inside, keeping all the liquid in. And here we have like a little straw. Okay, so this top part here, there's two different parts. Okay, this is what we showed you a second ago. So this is the like quick pour version. Okay, so this can go on here too. Okay, so you have a couple different options of how you can top this off. It's great they actually come with two different possible options. A lot of bottles do not have that, you know. So this here you can pour out, take this off here. It's great that it stays in the lid, so you're not going to lose this little part here. Sometimes you get a water bottle and you might lose this and you'll never find it again, or find one that fits quite perfectly. So very cool. That way you can drink right from the water bottle. Very good. Okay, and just have that. But it does have the other part here. And it looks like, actually, before I go further, I guess I should show everything in here. We have another cleaning utensil, like a little wire, little cleaner. So very cool for cleaning the inside. And they don't give you just one, but they actually give you two plastic straws. And I have to say that I am not a fan of paper straws. I am so happy that this says plastic straws. Paper straws, I mean, you buy like a $7 Starbucks drink and all you taste is paper. It's crazy. So I am definitely a big fan of the plastic straws. Okay, so very good. So they actually give you, I guess you could say three. They have one in the lid right here, okay? And they give you two extra ones. So you get a lot of amazing accessories with this. And this, of course, is the sip part here. So you have the straw and you pull this up and you can sip right through there. You can kind of see how that goes all the way down to the bottom. And then when you want to seal it up tight, you just push it like that. Very nice and firm and very tight. So I'm definitely digging that. And here on the inside, you can see, looks like we have a little instruction here. Let me see. Is this, let me try and get this out. It might be a little thank you message. User information. Yeah. So like little how-to here. So very good. Talks about cleaning, talks about dishwasher safe, so that's really good. The body and the lid are dishwasher safe. Air drying, okay, before storing. Do not microwave. Okay, this is stainless steel, so of course you don't want to microwave steel. You know what happens then? Like sparks will be flying, so you don't want to do that, okay, with any stainless steel. And then do not use bleaches or cleaner that contain chlorine, okay? And then don't fill all the way the lid. It says leave just a little bit in there, but I love the way, check out how cool and stainless steel that is. That looks beautiful. You know that's going to keep your cold drinks cold, hot drinks hot, and will definitely help you stay hydrated for sure. So anyway, guys, just to recap, this is just a beautiful water bottle, all sorts of amazing accessories here with it. And just, you know, it's not that expensive. This is such a great, thoughtful gift of all this cool stuff here for cleaning, for drinking. They got you covered. Extra little lids. This part here can just slip on just like that, and then you can put a lid on top of this, you can see, and that way you can do different clips and that kind of thing. Or the shoulder strap you can clip onto here. See how this just kind of clips on? Let me show you real quick. Just like that. There we go. And you can clip this on, put this over your shoulder or something. So very cool, but just really a beautiful set, guys. And I love the way this is really an all-inclusive kit. It comes with, you know, everything you're going to need for both drinking, enjoying it, but also for cleaning it. So really nice touch. And to have the two different types of lids, the straw lid and then the actual spout lid here. is really nice. It's just a great little collection, guys. If you have any question about this water bottle, let me know, okay? Again, the link for this will be right below. Makes a great gift. Get one for you, get one for someone you love. Holidays are coming up. You know this will be a hit. It really will. Especially, like, think about, like, New Year's and, like, New Year, New You. People start working out and going to gyms. Like, this would be perfect for that kind of thing, you know? And, of course, drinking water is super important. And if you're a gamer, you could do G Fuel in there. You could put drinks in there, energy drinks, soda, whatever you want. You know, iced tea, whatever. Whatever you're into, coffee, it can go in there hot or cold, okay? All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and fill this bad boy up and have me some drinks and do a little gaming, but I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? But check out that link down below. Makes a great gift. We'll talk to you soon, friends. Click the link. Bye-bye.